Hello everybody, my name is Ayush Verma and I am the soft skill trainer for CQS Training Private Limited. I am working in different domains like IAS, TOEFL, PTE and personality development. And today we are going to cover a very small portion of personality development. So I have picked up a topic named interview skills. And the motive behind picking this topic is it is a most relevant and most sought after topic which everybody wants to know because interview skills are very important in our lives. Even if you are a student or you are an entrepreneur or you are a job applicant, it is very important because it is a way to express yourself in front of others. Apart from your job application or your education qualification written on Facebook or any other job platform, it is the best way to stand out of you because you can present yourself in the best manner possible. So, without a further ado, we'll move forward what interview skills are. And I hope you will like the video. So let us know what is interview. So we are going to talk about introduction to interview. An interview is a mutual exchange of information between employer and an interviewee for a particular job position. On one hand, it enables the employer to evaluate your personality and attitude in terms of the demands of the organization and the position. On the other hand, it gives you an opportunity to market yourself and evaluate the prospective employer organization. In addition, an interview gives the employer and you an opportunity to discuss the offer of employment. Now we'll talk about importance of job interview. First we'll talk about the importance of job interview from the point of view of the interviewer or you can call recruiter. First they try to gather information about the candidate. An interview provides the employer with an opportunity to gather sufficient information about a candidate. Information can be gathered in all realms such as educational background, work experience, personality, communication, social skills, and job related skills. Then they select the best candidate. A personal interview provides the employer with an opportunity to assess the candidate's personality, confidence, and social skills. Now we can talk about the importance of job interview from the perspective of interviewees or the candidates who wish to apply for any job. It offers an opportunity for appropriate presentation. At times, a job application form only inquires about your qualification, your work experience, but a job interview, on the other hand, provides you with an opportunity to present your true potential to the employer. It can build confidence. Appearing for job interviews can be intimidating. Interviews require immense preparation and can cause nervousness. However, the more interviews you attend, the more you learn about what you should do and what you shouldn't do. It can build confidence in you. It also helps in decision making. During an interview, the interview provides the detailed information about the job role and the company. This includes the information about the designation, perks, salary, benefits, promotion and transfers and so on. All this provides you with an opportunity to make an informed decision regarding whether or not you want to work with a company once you are offered the job. Let's talk about types of interviews. Basically, there are various types of interviews. I have listed some of the interviews in this video. First is one-on-one interview. A one-on-one interview is an interview between the interviewee and one of the interviewer. The interviewer assesses the interviewee on the skill set and the qualities required for a specific role or project. Now we come to the second type of interview, that is called a board interview. A board interview is an interview between one interviewee and a panel of two or more interviewers. The questions asked in this type of interview are often framed beforehand. Each interviewer usually targets a particular aspect such as leadership skills and communication skills. Third type of interview is rotational interview. A rotational interview is a variation of one-on-one interview. The interviewee is interviewed by different interviewer face to face in separate interview sessions. Fourth type of interview is a walk-in interview. Walk-in interview are usually conducted for quick and mass recruitments in a company. Candidates come for a walk-in interview in response to an advertisement. Now we can come to the tips to crack job interview. First point is practice. You have to practice before going to the interview, as we have all heard, practice makes a man perfect. So yeah, practice might not make you perfect, but it does help you to make a good impression. Review interview questions that employers most frequently ask and think about how you will answer them. Second point is wear appropriate interview attire. It can be really awkward if you show up at a job interview overdressed or underdressed. Always dress appropriately for an interview so that you make the best first impression. Don't go into the interview without knowing anything. Take the time to research the organization so you know as much as possible about it. That way you will be prepared to answer questions about what you know about the company. Try to get the inside scoop. Besides researching the organization, see if you can get some more information about the company and its employees. Check LinkedIn, Facebook, and your college alumni network to see if you know anyone who can share the insider information with you. Always review the job posting. Know as much as you can about the job. Review the job posting and know what the employer is looking for in the person they hire. Also, take a look at your cover letter and resume so that you are clear about what you can offer the employer. Always have a good handshake. When you are greeted by an interview, offer to handshake and introduce yourself to get the interview off on the right foot. Smile. You don't want to overdo it, but think positive and smile when you are meeting the interviewer and when it's appropriate during the interview. Positive people with strong interpersonal skills are most likely to be hired. Show your enthusiasm. On a related note, show your enthusiasm and passion for what you do and what you would like to do in your next job. It's fine to let the interviewer know that you love your work and are excited about this opportunity. Always share how you are a great fit for the job. Back up your enthusiasm with facts. It's not enough to say that you have got the right stuff for the job. Be specific and show the employer why and how you are qualified. Don't panic. Even if you have done all the right prep work, you can either be taken off guard by an interview question that weren't expecting. Prepare for the worst so you don't have to panic. Always share a story or two. Don't just state your qualification. Instead, use your storytelling skill to share examples of what you have achieved at work. There is nothing better than a real life story to engage your interviewer and show what you can do.